In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or delete a beneficiary on Revolut. If you've ever needed to send money to a bank account quickly, setting up a beneficiary in Revolut makes future transfers effortless. We'll walk through adding a new bank recipient and, when necessary, removing one you no longer use. Make sure your app is up to date and that you're signed in before we start. To add a beneficiary, begin on the main screen and tap Transfers at the bottom. On some versions of the app, this area may be labeled Payments, but it takes you to the same place where you manage recipients and send money. Next, tap New, or simply tap the plus icon if you see it. This opens the options for creating a new recipient. Choose Bank Recipient. This is the option for people or businesses you'll pay into a bank account rather than sending money directly to another Revolut contact. Now enter the required details. You'll be asked for the recipient's name and their IBAN. The IBAN is the long international bank account number commonly used across Europe. If your recipient's country uses different details, Revolut will guide you to enter what's needed, such as a routing number and account number. Take a moment to check spelling and numbers carefully because banks rely on this information exactly as you provide it. When everything looks correct, tap Save. Your new recipient is now stored on your beneficiary list, ready for quick transfers in the future without retyping their details. If you ever need to remove a beneficiary, go back to the Transfers or Payments section and tap Accounts. This is where your saved recipients are organized. Select the beneficiary you want to remove, then tap their name to open their details. When you're sure you no longer need this recipient, tap Delete to remove them from your list. This only affects your saved contacts. It doesn't reverse any past transfers, and you can always add the same beneficiary again later if you change your mind. Keep in mind that Revolut users, meaning contacts with their own Revolut accounts, cannot be fully deleted from your contacts list, but you can block them if needed so they can't interact with you. And that's it. You've learned how to add a bank recipient as a beneficiary and how to delete one you no longer use in Revolut. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along in your app.